Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you guys are watching the Tech Gamer. And today I'm going to unbox a really special game, the FIFA 20. It is latestly right now, and today is 6th October and I'm going to unbox this. As you can see, this is the back of the game. This is the front, and this is the knife by which we are going to unbox this game. It's completely wrapped, so it's kind of difficult to open this, but we have completely opened it. So this is our game, and let's open it. Yeah, FIFA 20, and some codes are over here like this. No codes, but some advertisements. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of FIFA 20. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.